Come test drive the 2021 Titan. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, transmission temperature gauge, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.